Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Wednesday the 9th of November. And we've seen a hugely volatile session so far here in the European morning. The focus still remains very much on the Italian situation, having heard Berlusconi resign yesterday. In terms of equity markets, we're trading quite heavily to the downside, led by the FTSE MIB, the Italian stock index, which is down around 4% at last check. Some of the key things we've seen technically is various stops triggered in the Bund on its ascent. We've seen roughly around a 200 tick move from the initial lows at the open to where we trade at the moment. This has come as well as the Italian BTP has seen some real volatility. It has been halted several times due to that in the Euro BTP future in the 10-year space. This has come in particular with attention paid to an early announcement out of LCH Clearnet of France, who has indeed hiked the requirements needed for holding Italian bonds. As such then, that BTP yield in Italy on the 10-year is now trading starkly above the 7% level. That's a Euro lifetime high there for Italy, and as such the spread there over German bunds on a 10-year basis has blown out again and it's gone above 500 for the first time, with the Spanish spread also getting close to challenging around that key 400 level. So Italy firmly in focus then. It's been a real risk-off trade sentiment throughout the session, really ignoring much of the macro data. We've seen the euro underperform and the flight to quality has seen some strong flows going into the US dollar, which is trading firmly higher, over 0.5% in the dollar index. As the session progresses, very little in terms of major US data. Do remember we do have the US 10-year note auction. But in terms of other things to look out for, we have seen Tsakouras has been named as the potential candidate now for the next interim Greek Prime Minister, rather than Papademos, who is said to be, or reported to have run into some troubles in his negotiations. So something which we'll also look for clarification as the session progresses. That's all from me at the moment. We'll have another update though at the cash equity close. All eyes and ears firmly on Italy today. So take care and enjoy your trading session.